Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are creating a Rakhi makeup look. It would be a soft glam kind of look. So let's get started. I normally match my foundation shade to my chest because my chest matches all over my body, but my face doesn't match, or face or neck doesn't match to my body. Hence I do not match my foundation shade to my face or to my neck. It may look little bit dark, but as I shown you that this matches me pretty well. So I am using my beauty blender. I'm taking my Maybelline Age Refine in the shade Honey. I'm just using this as an eye primer for my eyeshadows. So I'm done with my base. I'm just going on with an compact powder. This is also by Maybelline. This is in the shade Coral. I'm not going close to my eyes because I will bake today. So I'm taking my translucent powder and just adding it under my eyes. And to the places where I generally crease, I'm just baking to those places. I will again go on with my powders over here because I want to make a sharp contouring. So till the time this is getting baked, let's do our eyeshadow. I'm in a mood of soft pink kind of neutral eye shade. No, neutral, not neutral, actually pink kind of shade. Yes, I'm just going on with a pink eyeshadow and just going to the outer corner to 1/3 of my eyes. I'm just concentrating it under my crease line. I'm not going very above my crease line because I don't want that look. I'm just on my crease line and under it, not above it, because I want a soft glam kind of look. I will just go on with an shimmery shade to the inner corners. So just pushing my shimmery shade to the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm just dusting off my baking. I'm just barely touching my skin and just dusting everything out with very light hand so that it doesn't move my base. So my eyes are done. I'm just going on to my lower lash line with that pink only. Now I will just highlight my inner corners of my eyes. I highlighted the inner corners of my eyes. Now I will go with Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. This is my favorite product. I'm going on with mascara on my lower lash line. I will do my eyebrows off camera. So I'm back with my eyebrows. Now what we will do next is contouring our nose. Just contour my nose. Now I will contour my cheeks. I'm just following the natural shadow of my face. Nothing more. Now I will blend this in. Just blended my contour. Now I will blend my nose contour. So now I'm taking a fluffy brush, going on my blush and just smiling. I'm blending blush. I'm taking my highlighter and I will just highlight my face on the portions I like to highlight. I'm highlighting my brow bone. I'm just taking my lipstick. This is a mauvey color by Cameo. So this is my complete look. If you like this look, please like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Bye.